Do you struggle with starting new habits? Imagine this. You want to start reading more, but you always find yourself too busy or too tired. The 2-minute rule can change that. The 2-minute rule is simple. When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. This rule is about making your habits as easy as possible to start. So, instead of saying, "I'm going to read for an hour every day," start with, "I'm going to read 1 page." Here's why it works. The hardest part of any new habit is starting it. Once you begin, it's much easier to keep going. The 2-minute rule eliminates the biggest barrier, the initial resistance. Think about exercise. Instead of planning to run 5 miles, put on your running shoes and step outside. Instead of meditating for 30 minutes, sit down and take a few deep breaths. The goal is to make it so easy that you can't say no. Let's take another example. If you want to write, start by writing just 1 sentence. If you want to eat healthier, start by drinking a glass of water. These small actions build momentum and lead to bigger changes over time. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it tricks your brain into starting. Once you're in motion, you're more likely to keep going. You'll often find that you can do much more than you initially planned. To implement the 2-minute rule, follow these steps. 1. Identify the habit you want to build. Be clear and specific. 2. Break it down into a 2-minute version. Make it as simple as possible. 3. Do it consistently. Repeat the 2-minute habit every day. Remember, the goal is to create a gateway habit that naturally leads to more substantial activity. Over time, you can gradually increase the difficulty, but only after the 2-minute version has become a routine. In summary, the 2-minute rule helps you overcome procrastination and build lasting habits by making them incredibly easy to start. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your new habits grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.